our stainless steel prep base. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72¼ inches, a depth of 28 inches, and a height of 25½ inches with lip. The height of the lip that surrounds the edges is 1½ inches. Measurements for the bottom shelf, we have 65½ inches and a depth of 20 inches. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to height, and located on the left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.